Okay, today we are looking at solving literal equations. Not much new content here, but people find it a little bit difficult because our answers don't come out to be as clean as we are used to. Um, Usually we like to see like x equals 5, b equals 7, something like that. But here we're actually going to be solving equations that have more than one variable. Um, and earlier we've said that we can't solve those, and we really can't solve them for sure, but we can still isolate our variables so that they are by themselves. Okay, so we are going to jump into this first example. It says Bridget is hosting a party where she will serve slices of pizza and hoagies. Padrino's Pizza will sell her pizzas for $10 each and hoagies for $5 each. She wants to spend no more than $80 for the food. How many hoagies can she buy if she buys 3 pizzas, 6 pizzas, 7 pizzas, 9 pizzas? The whole point of this problem, the ending of this, is just to say that we want to know in all situations kind of how many hoagies she can buy. So instead of just plugging it in each time to find out how many pieces she can purchase, what we're going to do is we're going to solve the equation, or sorry, hoagies she can purchase. We're going to solve the equation for h. Let's see if this works out. Okay, we're going to solve the equation for h. And that way we can kind of just know how many pizzas she can buy each time. So here's what we do. I'm going to walk through our same steps. I'm going to ask myself the same questions that I have to ask when I'm solving any normal problem. What am I trying to get by itself? In this case, they told us we're trying to get h by itself. So I'm trying to get h by itself. Okay, what's stopping h from being by itself? Looking at the left side of this equation, we can see 10p and 5 are stopping it. So now, what operation is it doing? What's the opposite of that operation? So 10p, what's it doing to 5h? It's adding, so how do I get rid of it? I'm going to have to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 10p from both sides. Okay, and now what I have on the left side then is 5h. On the right side I have 80 minus 10p. Okay, alright. Is h by itself yet? Almost. How do I get it all the way by itself? I'll divide by 5 on each side. So I'll divide by 5, divide by 5. Dividing this side by 5 make sure you're dividing everything on that side by 5. And so I end up with h equals 80 divided by 5 is going to be 16 minus 2p. Okay, and so we can kind of figure out how many hoagies we can buy depending on how many pizzas we have. So now if I have 3 pizzas, 16 minus 2 times 3 is 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. If I bought 3 pizzas, I could have 10 hoagies. If I bought 6 pizzas, 16 minus 2 times 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 16 minus 12 is 4, I'd be able to buy 4 hoagies. And I can do that with any number now and kind of easily figure out how many hoagies I can buy.